Welcome. If you're looking to stay up to date with your favorite creators on Pinterest and never miss a new pin, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to enable push notifications for new pins from creators you follow, right from your PC. Let's make sure you're always the first to see fresh inspiration. First, open your browser and head to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. There, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Settings. This is where you can control everything about your Pinterest experience, including how you get notified about new activity. After clicking Settings, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, look for the Notifications section. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what Pinterest tells you about. Click to enter the Notifications area, and you'll see a range of options for different types of updates. Scroll down until you find Activity from Creators. Under this, there's an option called New Pins from creators you follow. This is the key setting for getting alerts about the latest pins from your favorite creators. Next to it, you'll see a toggle for push notifications. Click to enable it. This means you'll now get real-time alerts whenever someone you follow posts a new pin, so you never miss out on new ideas or trends. Once you've turned on push notifications, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your changes won't be applied, and you might miss important updates. And that's it. With these steps, you'll always be in the loop whenever your favorite creators share something new. Enjoy discovering fresh pins and let your inspiration flow. If you found this guide helpful, explore more tips to make the most out of your Pinterest experience. Happy pinning!